Hey there, the team at E.M. and S.T sent over these dog toothbrushes for me to try. Yes, dog toothbrushes. My dog will actually let me brush his teeth to a point. So let's talk about this product and tell you what I think. So the pack comes with 2 brushes and 1 of these brushes. So as you can see, that's pointed and it's gonna help get in between any teeth that you can't get with these. Each toothbrush does have a cover. So there's the cover and it just snaps over the toothbrush into place. My favorite part about the toothbrush is that it actually turns this direction so I can get better access to my dog's mouth. While I don't get everything off of this toothbrush, of course, we have made it into a game, so he actually likes having his teeth brushed. So for me, not only is this help a little bit with keeping his teeth clean, it's also good for his temperament with me and being around his mouth. Guys, I hope this helps you decide on if these dog toothbrushes are a good product for you and your dog.